What's up, everybody? Rob here. You're watching yourself another episode of ThreadBanger, the channel which has had absolutely nothing to do with thread or clothing since about 2015. But hey, you're still here. I'm still here doing the damn thing, so let's get to it. Over the last couple years, if you've been following our program, what am I, a f***ing grandmother? Oh, my program's on! We've been doing this thing where we go into various thrift stores, Goodwills, Salvation Armies, pick out a variance of objects, and then kind of just with them. Today is no different. Taking a little cue from our friend Banksy, we're gonna be going in and finding some, well, let's just say some interesting pieces of art, and then taking them back to the ThreadBanger studio, putting our little touch on them, and then returning them. Let's go. All right, we just hit the jackpot over here. There's a lot of options to choose from. I guess the real skill is you've got to like take a look and like visualize before you buy what exactly you would want to, you know, insert into the scene. This is a perfect example. So you got a bridge here, right? I mean, this one is a little bit too easy. This one's tricky, however. Nice cottage by the lake. Oh, here, this one's a perfect example. Oh, this one's gonna be good. Who the f are these people? Angels are always a good one. This one's too easy. You see those deer right there? Immediately I can see it. Oh no, I'm a terrible human being. All right, we got like an entire stack of these things. We got a lot of options. Let's head back. Oh, we have got some real works of art here. Oh, I almost feel bad to kind of ruin them. This one right here, by far my favorite one. This one right here, I'm also really excited about. This was $6. Look at this fucking bargain. Something from Bambi over here. So picturesque. Literally a picture. A lot of cottages. People like to draw like little houses in the middle of the fucking forest. I'm not sure why, but I'm excited about them. All right, enough about me. Let's get to you. Let's get started. We're just gonna take this, pop this little back piece of cardboard, which is clearly at least 30 or 40 years old. And how do I even, come on. What is this, fucking super glued in here? Try not to break the glass. What the, god damn it. Get the f out of here. It's a fucking print, not a goddamn Picasso. Jesus fucking dick. Okay, it's out. I don't know about you, but I think everyone has had this picture hanging in their bathroom or their grandmother's bathroom at some point in time in their life. So, you know, I'm sure that you have your own probably weird little thing that you would want to put in here. Let me know in the comments below what you would do. But what I would do is probably a little f***ed up. Might get demonetized. I don't know. So, but right here in this corner, I'm gonna draw just a little toaster plugged in. It's just kind of off to the side. You wouldn't even know it was there. Why is there a toaster there? Yeah, you may ask. It's simple. It's 2019. Am I right? You know, I gotta name all of these. All good works of art need names. I'm going with Trouble in the Tub for this one. Oh, you know what would have been a good one? Nice and toasty. Oh well. Missed opportunity. Now this next one, you're gonna love. If you enjoyed this last one. If not, then you should probably just get the f out of here while we're ahead. What do we got? San Francisco. What f***ing bridge is this? The Bay Bridge? I don't know. Whatever it is, that's a lot of f***ing tugboats. Holy shit. It's inscribed Datton, July 1973. Am I right when I'm doing the math that this painting is 45 fucking years old? Holy shit. This is a fucking year for San Francisco, you know what I mean? Hippies, drugs, sex, rock and roll. Now for this one, you know, I see some guy walking back down the bridge, maybe after a Grateful Dead show on Hate, sad as fuck because he just found out that his girlfriend is sleeping with like 16 other dudes. But that was the 70s, you know? That's some summer of love shit. Yeah, he just wasn't ready for it. And he thinks to himself halfway down, it's all over. It is. It actually, there's no way back. Not from that point. You know, I know what you're thinking. We're already 2 paintings in and we're kind of getting down a pretty grim, dark, suicidal path. But yeah. I'm fine. Don't even worry about it. I'm fine. Got this next one here, this lovely angel. Oh, thinking, contemplating about something. Now with angels are real easy because they already give off this symbolic gesture of goodness that is just really easily manipulated into evil. I'm just putting a little, dropping some red in those eyes. Maybe it's dry eye season. Definitely smoking something here. Could be a cigarette. Could be something else. I don't even know whether or not I can put a satanic star on YouTube anymore. Does that get demonetized? I don't know. And you know what? F it. This angel listens to Anthrax. Naming this one Angel Without a Cause. After the James Dean film. What? Oh, never mind. Killing it over here. And now this one spoke to me, literally, because it's just fucking words on a piece of wood. You are my happily ever after, which is just a little too fucking sappy for me. Anyone who hangs up these garbage inspirational fucking quotes on their wall, just don't. Just gonna black this out. I don't know what I'm gonna put on it. I actually went online, Instagrammed this, and asked for the best fill in the blank, in which the turnout was quite successful. Squirrel was pretty fucking close, but the overwhelming winner by far, you are my happily ever disaster. It's clever. It's good. And I'm leaving the price tag on here, which is $2. This is a bargain. This next one's pretty big. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get it back into the store. I'm just kind of going for almost like a rifle scope. Little circle here. Not really sure what that looks like since I really haven't killed anything. Yeah, with a gun. That is. I'm assuming that it's something like this. I know what you're thinking. The bullseye is aimed right at the ass. Well, guess what? I'm not going in for a headshot. I like to see my prey f***ing suffer first. How about that? Huh? Woo! Drawing actually hurts my finger a lot. For those of you that have been following the crisis, a couple months ago I broke my middle finger. I just got like the little cast off, and it's better, except for the fact that my finger is crooked and may just always remain crooked for the rest of my life. I can't f***ing hold a pen right. It's all sorts of f***ed up. While I was doing this one, did you think of any good names? Anything come to mind? Let me know in the comments. I'll tell you what though, between you and me, it's not getting any better than, oh dear. F*** you. You're gonna pay 10 bucks for that in a Goodwill very soon. We got this picture of a little girl. I thought long and hard about it, which is, no, that doesn't sound good. Scratch that. There's a very classic gag, and as you get older, you realize it's as good as farting. It's always gonna be f***ing funny. F***ing googly eyes. Come on! You put them on anything, instant entertainment. Look at that. It's a good time. What else can we do to this portrait, you may ask? Well, she's got a letter in her hand. Who's it addressed to? Is that Santa? No, that's Satan. She's got a goddamn letter addressed to Lord Satan in her hands. What the f*** kind of drugs are you on, Rob? Well, I'll tell you, really f***ing good ones. Throw it back into the frame, sign it, naming this one, Dear Lord. No relation to the shitty pop singer. Now, the one painting that you're gonna find over and over again in your thrift store is gonna be this. Just a f***ing cottage in the woods surrounded by flowers. Don't know who gets off on painting this bullshit. The only thing that makes any of these paintings better is you gotta kind of create like a little story around it. So what are we looking at here? Where we got, somebody living in the cottage, probably an old lady. She may have accidentally left the tea kettle on. Maybe her electric denture warmer short-circuited, I don't know, but the house is now engulfed in flames. Now, if you want to add a little bit more to the story, you can maybe paint a figure. He's got a little gas can, he's got a match, and he, oddly enough, looks a lot like me. Because as a matter of fact, the more that I look at it, this is me burning down a house. Which is disturbing, yet revelationary. What are we titling this one? Burning it all down to the ground. Head to your local Goodwill. You may be able to pick this bad boy up. $3! This thing is, they're selling this thing for $3. All right, now we got this, another piece of shit here with a bunch of stupid fucking words on it. Friends fill your life with love. Love. I'll tell you what friends are fucking filled with. Lies. Friends fill your life with lies. You fucking think about it. You tell me, huh? Lies. Moving right along, this fucking piece of hotel trash. I don't even know what somebody thinks about when they create bullshit like this. I'm going a real classic approach to this one. Lots of altered art you'll see have like these tentacles, squid monsters just coming out of the waters. So my shitty attempt here at painting actually looks pretty decent. Again, I know what you're saying. Where is this coming from? Why is he making shitty YouTube videos when he could be making masterpieces like this? I agree. I'm not sure what the fuck I'm I'm doing here either. But this, take a look at that. I know. I'm calling this one, let's get cracking. God damn it, Rob, you clever son of a bitch. I got this last one. I've been hesitating because this is a Lana Dexter original. I'm assuming that this was maybe done in the 70s by Lana. That was kind of when she hit her stride. Again, this is another Cottage. This one's actually pretty simple. I'm just blacking out the windows here, and with a fine tip white Sharpie, just dropping some evil, mischievous eyes in the windows. Now you walk across it, you take a look in the windows, and you see a house full of crazy motherfuckers in the dark looking out at you. And then that's when you think to yourself, this will be the last house you ever see. And that's exactly what we're naming this Lana Dexter Rob Czar collaboration. I'm gonna leave that sticker on there. This is some Banksy shit, and you're getting there for $10. First off, can you even imagine finding any of these fucking things in Goodwill? I can't. I'd buy the shit out of all of them. When you actually think about it, I'm being a good Samaritan, you know? I'm buying things from the thrift store, which I am paying them money for, and then I'm giving them back to them, again, for free for them to sell. I'm a good fucking person. I'm a good person. I'm doing a good thing. That's what I have to keep on telling myself. Every goddamn day. Every goddamn day. Well, that's it. We're finished. I'm finished. You haven't done all but watch this video. So we're gonna load these up into the car, and then tomorrow morning, take these back. And when I mean tomorrow, I technically mean right now. All right, so we're here. Goodwill. This is the usual Goodwill where I usually take everything to. The car is loaded up with painting. I told Curtis, our editor, and my wingman to come join us back for... What are you... I told you to dress inconspicuously.
Why are you wearing my jacket? Oh, God. Take it off.
How about this? How about you go inside and just kind of like scope it out? Give me a call maybe when like the front cashier is like distracted or dealing with a customer or something. All right, there he is. Hello? What's it look like in there? Hello? Is there no reception in there? Oh, there's no goddamn reception in there. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. I'm going for it. I'm coming in. I loaded them all up in the cart like that, so they'll only see like this one painting coming in. It's kind of hiding all the rest of these. Let's see how this goes. We are in. We did it. All right, I actually may go back outside and get the other ones. All right, so I gotta be real quick with these because these are the big ones. This is where it gets a little tricky. Walking into the store with these, I don't know. All right, so these have all been placed. I'm actually gonna buy this one back because this is my favorite. I'm gonna give it away probably at the end of this episode. Thank you very much. Have a good one. All right, we did it. I'll tell you a funny, crazy little story once I get in the car. Whew. Holy shit. I was so pissed that I was not filming at the second that a very nice Goodwill employee came up to me and said that Goodwill is on to you. They have seen the videos and corporate is pissed. This may be the last time that we do this. For the Goodwill corporate execs that are watching this, I'm technically re-donating stuff to the store. I'm actually doubling your profits. It's all for the sake of art. And if you don't support art, Goodwill, well, there's something wrong. That's all I'm saying. All right, let's get the f out of here. Well, that is all that I got for you this time around because that is literally all the time that I have in the week to make a video. I actually put those paintings in Goodwill yesterday and already a couple of you have found them. A big shout out to Sydney who landed these two. And then Janet Pomegranate, who we met in Whole Foods of all places. She ended up picking one up. There's actually probably a couple more still there. I repurchased this one because I'm gonna tell you the goddamn truth. I impressed the shit out of myself with this, which is why I felt like one of you deserved it. And to get your hands on this, all you gotta do is leave a comment down below telling me the next thing or the next set of things that I should try altering at the thrift store. And whatever idea that I like the most, boom, it's yours. Do me a favor, also, don't jump off any bridges or throw toasters into your bathtubs. If you're feeling like that, I'm gonna leave some numbers down in the description below. Not mine, but somebody's. I'll see you next time. Hopefully.